Top of the morning, YouTube. Told y'all I had this system over here at the house. Got one, two. MA Audio 18s. Yes, them all 18s. Got a sweet little deal from a partner, another buddy of mine. Only thing I gotta do is go back and get this piece here. Replace, easy fix. I guess they was just beating that hard, or whatever the case was. But hey, I'm thinking about putting both of them in my MC, but I might just go one and keep one for a spur. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? I ain't necessarily just in no big rush to just, put. I want my shit to hit, but I don't want it to sound muffled and like trash, you know what I'm saying? So, any suggestions out there, I take on, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm really feeling one, but I might try to do both of them. 1600 watts a piece, each speaker, and I got these bad boys. Anybody from out the at 90 era and on back know about the Pioneer with the barbed wire freer. And these are 500 watts a piece. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do 9 times out of 10. Probably do, I say either one of them, cause I know both of them could fit in that trunk, but I don't want to overdo it. You know what I'm saying? And end up, like I say, having to go back and spend more money to, give just a one woofer box build as opposed to doing it right the first time. Now, if I do it right, if I put one in there and it ain't giving me that slap that I want, which I doubt that it won't, but at the same time, that's when the other one come into play. So, any suggestions out there, I'm free, I'm open to it. I ain't no stubborn ass dude. Hey, cause I know shit, great minds think alike. So, yeah, give me some feedback on some of these videos, man. Let me know, what y'all thinking. I say, MA Audio. Straight up, man. Hold on. Anybody know about these 18? No, these motherfuckers are not light by far. Let's sit it right here. That does say 1600. Yeah. So, holla at me, man. It's your boy Jay, signing out.